Our drywall guys did a phenomenal job. However, they did not dust off the walls very well.
Today we're going to be taking a look at this drywall sander from VEVOR. I'd like to thank the seller for sending this product to us in exchange for a video. All the views and opinions in this video are our own.
This comes packaged really nicely to protect it during shipping. In the box, you are going to have some spare parts as well as earplugs and a mask in the instruction manual bag. You're going to have multiple types of sanding discs as well as sanding disc pieces that will adhere it to the machine. They even include a set of safety goggles for you. You have obviously the sander itself. This does come with a harness so you can actually wear it. It has multiple attachments here for the hose. You have a bag to catch the dust. You also have the telescopic pole as well as a carry bag. I love the fact that they include a carry bag so you can put it away nice and neat. It does have a double stack of LED lights on there, which is really nice.
Look, so left and right, up and down. That's like the left to right idea.
It comes with multiple different grits of sandpaper discs. You have all the way from 80 up to 240.
Protection for during shipping. It does come with the instruction manual also, that way you don't have to fumble around with it like I'm doing. It does have a max line there that's ghost painted on there. And then just flip it right in place. Don't need instructions where we're going. Alright, so now that's in place and it just disconnects very easily after you're done using it. This is going to catch some drywall dust. You want to wait? If you want to make your wife smile or the crew, go ahead. Where'd the clip go? We're going to plug it in here today. Put it on. This drywall sander from VEVOR is a great option whether you have a big job, small job, or medium job.